Welcome to the eZqos phone or tablet setup video. Please note that phone settings may differ across devices. First, navigate to Accessibility in your settings. Set eZqos mode to Off to proceed with the setup. Next, set Allow Display over Other Apps to Allowed. This permission is required for continuous operation and auto run on device reboot. Third, go to App Battery Usage settings. Ensure Allow Background Usage is set to On for real-time updates and content syncing. For the fourth step, set Manage App if Unused to Off to prevent the system from restricting the app. Also, set Notification to On. Fifth, if the option exists, set Turn Screen On to ensure continuous screen display for digital signage. Now, let's start the login process for the first time. Tap Sign in with Google and select your account. Approve the necessary permissions. Once logged in, the player screen will show an empty playlist. Tap No Thanks on the App Pinned message to continue to the admin menu for content uploading. To open the admin menu, tap 3 times on any of the top corners of the screen. In the admin menu, select Upload Content. Choose the folder type, then select the files you wish to upload and tap Select. The content will begin syncing. Once the sync is complete, a confirmation will appear. You can then see your content playing. For diagnostics, tap on Admin menu twice. This will open the Smart Play Diagnostics screen. In the Admin menu, select Remote Settings to adjust display options like image duration, screen time, and logo display, as well as to manage the playlist. And very well. To complete the setup, validate that Kiosk Mode or App Pinned feature able to prevent home screen access. Finally, perform a hard reboot to ensure the application successfully auto-launches on startup. This video guides you through the TV setup process for eZqos. Note that TV settings may differ across devices. First, set eZqos mode to On. This intercepts all remote TV buttons except Settings and Power. When off, the remote will function normally. Follow the on-screen steps to enable kiosk mode in accessibility settings. Next, set Allow Display over Other Apps to Allowed. This is necessary to ensure eZqos app starts automatically after a device reboot and provides 24/7 unattended operation. Set Energy Optimization to Off to prevent the system from interrupting playback or stopping content sync. This ensures background syncing and display battery optimization. Set Manage App if Unused to Off and Notification to On. If the Go to Settings button does not present options, you can ignore it. If available, set Turn Screen On to On. This is essential for continuous signage display, preventing the system from interfering with the screen state. Now proceed with the login flow. Sign in with Google, and the device will display an activation QR code and a code. The video shows a successful login and activation. Activate your device using a phone, PC, or laptop browser. Go to the provided Google link, enter the activation code, choose your account, and grant access to eZqos. Upon successful login, you'll select the display orientation and the device will sync content. If the playlist is empty, upload content via the eZqos mobile app to meet security standards. Once content syncing is complete, the player screen will start playing your playlist. If there's an error, you will see a playback failed message until content is uploaded. To access the Admin menu, press the OK button or D-pad center on your remote TV 3 times. For right button options like Change Layout, use a long press. You can disable or enable Smart Play Sync. Move the cursor to the Smart Play Sync switch toggle using the D-pad, navigating left and down, then press the OK button. The Smart Play diagnostics tools are accessible via the Admin menu. Move the cursor to the Admin menu using the D-pad, then press the OK button twice. You'll find buttons to sync or reset verifications. And well done! Now your TV already set up properly. To complete the setup, validate that kiosk mode prevents home screen access. Finally, perform a hard reboot to ensure the application successfully auto-launches on startup.